Let's talk about the arithmetic operations and the operators now. So there are different kinds of operators. It may require next session also to discuss about the operators. But let's understand arithmetic operations include, let's say, doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with this sign. Okay, your forward slash is same as division, and percentage sign. I want to talk about this thing. It's a modulus operator. This is called modulus operator. Okay, which will give you remainder basically. Okay, this will give you what is your remainder part. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, I'm not covering it. See, these are called binary operators, which requires two operands, right? Whenever you use addition, you will be adding one value to another value, right? Whenever you are dividing something, it will be one value divided by another value, correct? Remainder is also a kind of binary operator, which requires two values. And how it works, let's see that thing. We will create a new class here, which will be operator demo one. That's it. Main function I want to create. Done. So I can take two integer values. Integer a is equals to 23. Integer b is equals to 2. Fine. And I can say integer c is equals to a% b. It's not percentage. It's not like it will calculate some kind of percentages. Okay. How this modulus operator works is it will divide a by b, and then whatever is the remainder, it will print that, it will have that value. So in this particular example, 23 divided by 2, if you will do, the remainder will be 1. Okay, so this is printing 1. If I'll change it, let's say we'll make it 3, right? Then what will be the remainder? Tell me in chat window. What will be the output of this program? What will be the output? Anyone? It's 2. Yes, correct. Because 23 is number, 23 is another number, A is 23, B is 3, C is equals to A% B. A% B means 23 divided by 3, but then what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 2. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. So it will not go to the 24. 3 sevens are 21. And 2 will be the remainder. Great. So this will give me 2. Okay, 2 is the output here. Now we will change it. So let's make it, let's say 45. And if I'll say divide it by 9, so what will be the output? Yes, because 9 5s are 45. So there is no remainder. So it will say 0. Correct. And if I make it, let's say 43, what will be the remainder? 43% 9. So what will be the answer? it should not take this much time. It's simple mathematics, right? So yes, 7 it will be. So we are able to get 7. So this is how remainder things works, or the modulus operator works. Okay. Let's see some operators, right? So I'm doing just a simple Google operators in Java, and I'll open this W3 schools. So it's showing me that there are different kind of operator. We did this arithmetic operations, we did, right? Then there is assignment operator, which is equal to sign. Comparison operator we saw, greater than, right? In the same way, there are other comparison operator also, like greater than equal to, less than, and less than equal to, or equal to. So equal to two times, if you will write, it will compare two values. Okay. So for example, I can write it like this. 10 is equals to 10. So it will check whether 10 has the same value as 10. So it's like, it's checking left hand side is matching with the right hand side or not. So it will print based on whether both things are equal or not. So it will say me true or false based on that, right? I can write here 10 is equals to 12, whether both are equal or not. So this will give me false, obviously. Okay. So equal to operator will give us whether two values are equal or not. The left hand side value is equal to the right hand side value or not. It will tell you. It's very simple. Same way, I'm not going like how greater than works. It's simple, right? It will compare two values and will store whether the condition is true or false. Okay. Same is like greater than equal to. So you have to write greater than and then equal to sign, which will say whether the number is greater than or equal to from left hand side to right hand side, right? It will check the left hand side is greater than or not, greater than equal to the right hand side expression or not. Very simple one, right? So these are comparison operators. There is one more, which is not equal, exclamation mark and then equal to. You can check a particular value is not equal to or not. So if I say 10 is not equal to 12, what it is? Is it true or false? 10 is not equal to 12. It's true. It's true. And all these values are Boolean, means the answer of this expression is a Boolean value. So basically you can store it in something. So you can say Boolean check. You can give any check is equals to 10 is greater than. It's better to use bracket, to make it more readable. So you can say this and print check here. It's also a good practice. You can say Boolean check is equals to 10 is not equal to 12. Whatever, whether it is true or false, right? Whatever value it is, it will store in check and we are printing it, right? Logical operators. Logical operators are like and, or. If you have done this in your academics, it's same. Logical operators, you heard about AND operators, OR operators, right? In electronics, probably you have read about it. AND operator in Java, you have to use 2 times ampersand sign, and for OR operator, you have to use 2 times pipes. Okay, so this works with a kind of truth table, which is like it will work with 2 conditions. So if there are true and true, the answer is true. It's like this. So both the conditions should be true to have the final answer as true. If any one of them is false, it will become false. Okay. So if this is also false, then also it will be false. We'll see this example. maybe next session. If both are false, then also it is false. Okay. In the same way, OR operator, how OR operator works, what OR operator says is one of them should be true for the final value to be true, right? So if both are true, so the final answer is also true. If one of them is false, then also it's true. If this is false, then also it's true. But if both are false, F and F, then the final value will also be F. We will see the examples of this in upcoming session, but let's understand AND operators or operator, it works with two conditions. Means at the left hand side there should be a condition, and right hand side there should be a condition which is true or false. So finally it will calculate what should be the final answer, right? It's like, you know, if you want to say that if there is a school today and if it is not raining, then only I'll go to the school. It's like this. Okay. So for example, true, this condition can be there is no holiday and there is no rain, then I will go to school. It's like this, right? Or this can be like this. If I have cycle or if I have car, then I'll go to office. It's like final will be like this, right? We'll see more examples about it. Don't worry. That's it for today.